Humans making sounds. Humans are incredibly talented when it comes to making sounds. We use our voices to communicate and express ourselves. Here are some common sounds that humans make. Laughter is one of the most joyful sounds a human can make. It's a sign of happiness. This sound spreads good feeling. Crying is a sound of distress or sadness. From a young age, babies use crying to communicate their needs. The sound of singing is another human sound. People can use their voices to create melodies and harmonies. Whispering is a soft, gentle sound humans make when they want to speak quietly. People can whisper when they're sharing secrets or when they need to be quiet. Screaming or yelling is a loud sound that humans make. We yell when we're scared, angry, or excited, or when we want to get someone's attention from a distance. The sound of talking is perhaps the most important sound that humans make. Through talking, we share our thoughts, ideas, and feelings. Every sound we make tells about how we're feeling or what we're thinking. Next time you hear a human sound, take a moment to consider what it might be saying. The end.